Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week.
So to make our cookies and cream French toast, I have some. So I'm going to cut our challah bread about 1 inch thick. Oh, the bottom. About this big. This one in here. Not so bueno. Okay. And so let's work on making our egg mixture. And we're going to use, since we only have a few sliced bread, we'll use 2 eggs today. Have the butter in the pan melting so it can be ready for us once we're ready to, because I like to cook my French toast on the stovetop first for a few minutes just so it can get a little color. Then I finish it off in the oven just because I want to make sure that all of our mixture is fully absorbed in the bread and that it's not liquid. Since sometimes I find when you cook it on the stovetop, there'll still sometimes when you're cutting that French toast, it's still soggy because that egg mixture is still there, so it's not fully cooked. So that's why I do that. So remember the trick I taught you guys on the side? Really shouldn't be cracking on the side. So if you're gonna do that like I did, make sure your 2 thumb fingers are fully in it, that you're holding back the shells, and you are then releasing it slowly. Again, there we go. Stick your 2 fingers in it as far as you can, so you're holding back the shells loosely. Drop it gently, and there are no shells, as you can see. So I'm going to whisk that, and I am actually going to do, since we're using less, since I only have 3 slices here, I normally would use half a cup of milk. We're going to go with a 1/4 cup of milk. And normally I would also I like to use a little cane sugar in my egg mixture, but we're not going to do that today because we have the cookies and cream, which has enough sugar. So I am not going to put any additional sugar in it. Okay. So I'm going to eyeball it about a 1/4 cup. Okay. And then we're going to use, and normally I do a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, but we're going to do that about an 1/8 of a cup. Same thing with the evaporated milk. Normally that'd be a 1/4 as well, but since we don't have that much and I don't want anything to go to waste with everything being so expensive, that's it. And then we're gonna do 1 capful of our pure vanilla extract. Gonna fully whisk that, and then I will put in my cookies and cream here. And so here goes our Oreo. Fully incorporate that. Going to dunk this in here. Okay, it's great. It's absorbed all the cookies, as you can see. Cookies are in here, so that's good. That's what we want. Waiting for that to get a little warm here. Ooh, look at that. That's what I like about this challah bread. It pretty much ensures anything that you have that's like extra cookies, cinnamon, whatever it is that you might be using, gets attached to your bread. So, okay. And the cool thing too is when you dip it, you actually want to just take off the excess in here. So that's important. Look how beautiful our French toast with Oreos look like. You can see the Oreos right here. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these. And so now it's ready to go in the oven. Pretty much it has color now. And so I'm going to take it and place it on our tray and put it in the oven on 350 for about 5 to 7 minutes. So this is exactly why I want to put it in the oven. As you notice, it does have beautiful color and it looks like it's cooked. But if you notice right here and right here and right here and some parts of here, the egg mixture is still on it. So it looks soggy because then you kind of be eating somewhat of raw eggs. So this is why for myself, I know most people just cook it on the stovetop and they're okay with their, sogginess or the mixture not being fully cooked, but I like things well done. So this is why I'm going to put it in the oven for 5 to 7 minutes. Wow, look at our Oreo French toast. Honestly, this is a dessert or just your special get-together brunch. It is beautiful. Wow, do you guys see all of the Oreos in here? In this French toast? Of course, we have some garnish of it, but like, look all right here and back in here. It's all that Oreo that was dipped in that egg mixture. Look at all of these Oreos. Not just the garnish, but like, you see these darker parts? That was all the Oreo when you store it like dipped in that egg mixture before it was on the pan. Oh, man. Ooh, this is some decadent stuff up in here. Let me try it. Let me try it. Let me try it. Try right here. Okay. Shut the front door. Oh my gosh. Woo! If you love Oreos and you love French toast, perfect marriage. You can taste that it's very French toasty, by the way. You could taste the Oreos up in here. But here's the funny thing. It's not overly sweet because I didn't put any of the sugar in the mixed egg mixture. You just taste the sweetness of the Oreo. That's it. But here, wow. This is a game changer. Right here, it's straight Oreos that was crushed up. All that chocolate Oreo. And you know what? Here's the thing. We did this with chocolate Oreo. But you can do this with vanilla Oreo too. Crush it up the same as opposed to putting chocolate. Put the vanilla. How about do a black and white? Do both of them combined. Crush them up and add them both here. This is what I tell you I love about cooking. It's all about trying to create new things, recreate new things. This is straight busting. Like for real, oh my gosh. The bread is perfect for it. Here's the thing, if you're gonna do something like this, you need a bread that's a little stronger. So you do need maybe a thick cut brioche. You can't really kind of do your Wonder sliced bread, your Nature's Own. That's not really gonna work on this. However, you need a thick cut bread. So how we had the challah that we cut really thickly, you could do that with your thick cut brioche bread. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying what we're putting out for you. And I thank you for hanging out with me today to eat virtually while I ate physically, but you too can make this and you can eat physically and let me know how it turned out for you.